Welcome back to my channel, guys. Dragster Life in the Shop. Today we have the 98 Toyota Camry back in here for another repair. Had this car for a little over a year now. Decided to keep it. I don't know why. Maybe because driving it around town and a few little short trips, you know, off the interstate. Not even going on the interstate. The thing gets around 390 miles to a tank of gas. Now, I haven't broke that down to see what that is per mile, but hey, compared to my trucks, I'll take it. So here we got a leaky valve cover gasket, and if you take a good look down inside the head, you see we got a pretty good case of the crusties in there. A whole bunch of carbon buildup, varnish. Previous owner of this car admitted to me that they never did service it. If you check back in my other Toyota videos, same car, where I had the oil pan off, it was pretty rough. You know, pretty crusty, a lot of carbon buildup. So now I'm facing the challenge of cleaning the valve cover, which is really bad with the buildup. I almost wish I would not have taken the valve cover off of it. But it was leaking pretty good. So I wanted to get that fixed, and I'm going to go ahead and pop a new set of spark plugs in it, and new valve cover gasket. This one here is pretty old, probably original. It's hard as a rock, and the grommets around the spark plug tubes. So I've got all those parts coming. Gonna do an oil change, and so I thought I'd do a quick video to show you what's going on here. Car had 154,000 on it when I got it. About 154.5. I think I got just under 158,000 on it now. So less than 4,000 miles in a year. So not a lot of miles, but you know, the car had a poor maintenance, and it's had poor maintenance or no maintenance in its lifespan. So I'm trying to make it happy. Alright guys, well, if you haven't done so and you like this kind of content, these kind of videos, subscribe to my channel, share, and click that little notification bell. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And leave a comment below. Alright, thanks guys. I'll post another video. Well, actually, hold on. I decided to try some oven cleaner on the inside of this valve cover. It's done a pretty good job, but it's looking real good compared to what it did look like. You couldn't even see the aluminum inside there, or the steel baffle plate. But it's getting better. I just have to keep letting it soak. Looks like I need to spray some more on, so I'm going to do that now. So, just thought I'd take a little bit of downtime. I'm waiting on parts for another job that I've got in here. And, hang on one second, I gotta take the lid off of this can. Alright, just oven cleaner. And just douse it real good. Make sure you get it all real good, and I probably should just replace the valve cover. But it's supposed to be a riding car, you know, just to run errands and stuff like that, you know. All right, so I'll do a part 2 to this. Maybe show you how clean I got the valve cover. I don't know. We'll see. I'm kind of waiting on parts on the dually job over there. I'm rebuilding the transmission in it. It was working, but it was about to go south real quick. The transmission was, that is. And so got all of it tore down and got all the old parts up here. And planetaries were bad. All right. Talk to you later.